Some scrambled eggs. Now I've got Rosa helping me. She has set the temperature on the stove at 6. All right, and it's slowly heating up. Rosa, take this off this one there because
no, that's okay.
Yeah, 6. Okay.
No,
yeah,
no.
better than 6.
Yeah.
All right, that's there. All right, just temperature sitting at 6. We have got 3 eggs. So that's 2. And that's 3. Okay, so you've got 3 eggs. Make sure there's no eggshell in there.
Yeah, I know. I was going to take it, but
yeah, I'm just telling you. All right, and then Rosa gets a small fork, takes the eggshells out because that's what we don't need. Beats it up. And while the pan is heating at number 6. See that? That's on number 6, the pan sitting there.
no sticking.
Then you need a little bit of margarine.
For 3 eggs.
For 3 eggs, yeah.
1 spoon of butter.
Yeah.
About that much. Depends how many eggs.
Exactly. Yeah.
So we put in there to melt.
So like a good tablespoon of margarine.
For 3 eggs.
For 3
more
eggs.
More.
And if you need, Rosa tells me if you need more eggs, obviously you need more margarine, right? Depends how much you want.
I put aside 2 tablespoons of milk
And
for 3 eggs.
For 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk. There you go. Beautiful.
Beat it a bit again.
Again, mix it up well. Important thing is you mix it up well, otherwise they will always look pale in color. So your margarine is melted, as you can see, and it's still working on number 6 here. We haven't reduced the heat, so keep it on number 6 nice and low. That's like a medium heat, number 6.
Then we put
then you put your eggs in there. Alright.
And just keeping moving the eggs so that's going to stick to the pan.
That's right. So you just keep on just sort of scraping the bottom off, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
Just scraping the bottom off. Yeah, exactly. You don't have to go crazy on scraping, but just gently keep on moving it around.
Yeah, just wait a little bit. I find 6 is the best because if you put any high, it burns.
Yeah. So 6 is the best.
It takes a little bit longer.
Yeah, that's
but
right.
it comes nicer.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's like that, and you know.
Very good. I think this video will help all of us make a standard recipe for scrambled eggs. Rosa, you have an extra. Yeah, it's coming up slowly. It's it's getting thicker, as you can see.
And this pen, because they stick now, the pen when doesn't stick is even easier.
It's even easier, that's right.
But this one, because it stick, I have to keep it going.
Yeah, that's right.
If they want to, they can put a bit higher, but to make sure they don't burn, is this. It takes a bit longer, but
I think the slow heat is much better, isn't it? If the heat is slow, it's
that's
much
how I do it.
Yep.
Sometimes if I cook a lot, like it was in the orange, I make it in the electric pan.
Yep. And there also
it's the
same thing, same process, right?
Yeah. The only thing that if you put more than 3 eggs, then you put the double quantity.
Exactly. Yeah. So for every 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 good tablespoon of margarine, and that's it. You don't add any salt and pepper at this stage, right?
I don't put any. I left the residents put their own salt and pepper.
That's a good option. Let the residents put the salt and pepper themselves.
Because some they like it, some they don't.
So in the meantime, you normally serve it on the toast, Rosa, or on the side? Yeah.
I do it on the side. So, because some they like it on the side, so I normally serve on the side.
So you've got a warm plate here, right?
Yep. It's just this is when they are.
I touched something here. It's too high now.
Yeah, it's too.
6 you need. Okay, so we have got a plate here, a warm plate ready. It's nice to serve scrambled eggs on a warm plate, isn't it, Rosa?
Yeah, everything. I do all the things, eggs, scrambled eggs, poached eggs, everything in a warm plate.
Warm plate, yeah, exactly. There we go. The eggs are almost ready. I can see them. Yeah.
They're nearly almost ready.
Yeah.
And
that's your standard serve, right? 3 eggs per person, yeah, for the scrambled eggs.
I don't know, because some people they like more. Sometimes this is for 2 people.
All right. Okay.
You know.
Yeah.
I just put 3 just to make it easy to cook. But this in here, it will be for 2 people.
Okay.
Okay.
Beautiful. Looking very nice. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yeah. And
Yeah, nice and creamy.
Yeah.
This is nice and soft. It's not like an omelette, not hard and rubbery. It's nice and soft, yeah.
That's how they normally. That's how they like it.
Okay.
In here.
All right. So you would serve it now?
I just will put it in there.
Yep. Beautiful.
This in here. This is 1 serve. Some we have more.
Okay.
But that's how we put it. I put the bacon in here and the toast in there.
Super.
So
Excellent.
like if it's toast here, we'll put it there.
Excellent.
And the bacon in there.
Bravo. Looking good. Thank you, Rosa.
That's okay.
No, they will say, Rosa, well done.
I don't know.
Thank you, Rosa.
No
Great.
worries. Thank you, Chef.
I'm sure it will help everyone.
I hope so. Thank you, Chef.
Okay, cheers.